this is just a quick wee video to show you how to use the C7 to F practice track with your class. When you first start to learn to play the ukulele, one of the most tricky things is changing chords. So this wee practice track is going to help you with that. Starts with C7. Wait and change now to your F and ready. This gives you time to come back to C7 and again looking for that F, easy F chord and again back to C7.